Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm coming to y'all fresh faced and ready to try out some hairstyles. If you guys have been following me on my new short hair journey, I have been playing around with hairstyles a lot lately. And I have found some really easy hairstyles that can work for pretty much any hair length. And whenever I say quick, I mean like literally 5 to 10 seconds. So this video is all about that. My curls are, they're a couple days old, but they are still pretty defined. So we'll be working on a few day old hair. And I think this is the best time to play around with hairstyles. On the first couple of days, your hair is like super defined and really tamed. But once you start to get into day like 2, 3, it starts to kind of frizz up a bit, starts to loosen up a bit and get a lot more easier to play around with. So that's what we're playing around with today. And as far as what you'll need for these hairstyles, it totally varies depending on the hairstyle, but some of them you will need some hair ties, some you will need large bobby pins. I do also have some small ones just in case I do need them, so you may possibly need some small ones. And then I love to play with accessories. That has been one of my biggest things lately. So I have a square scarf, this bad boy here. Love my scarves. Like, y'all have no idea how much I have fallen in love with scarves since I went back to having short hair. And then I also have a headband. I have been obsessed with these types of headbands, the ones that twist in the front. And then I also have a couple of small hair ties just in case I need them. That's pretty much all I work with for my hairstyle. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and hope you guys enjoy. And last but not least, my final and favorite go-to hairstyle is to just let my hair be out, let it just fly, be free, and just do its own thing. This is definitely my favorite hairstyle because it's effortless and I love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And if you guys really did enjoy today's video, go ahead and comment down below which your favorite go-to hairstyle was, whether it be one that I showed you guys or one that I have not showed you guys just yet, because I am always open to new ideas on quick and easy go-to hairstyles. So go ahead and comment that down below and I will be happy and looking forward to reading your comments. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.